Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Sociology 3 in 1. And today's lecture we will talk about the concept of social mobility and its main types. The first type of social mobility is intergenerational social mobility, which refers to the movement of individuals or groups from one social position to another between different generations. For example, if the child of working class parents becomes a doctor, there we can see an upward intergenerational social mobility. Conversely, a person born into a wealthy family becomes homeless, there is downward intergenerational social mobility. Intragenerational mobility, another type, which refers to the movement of individuals or groups from one social position to another within their own lifetime. For example, if a person starts as a manual laborer but eventually becomes a manager, there is upward intragenerational social mobility in that case. Conversely, if a person starts as a white-collar worker but is later laid off and ends up working as a delivery driver boy, there is a downward intragenerational social mobility in that case. Horizontal mobility is another type which refers to the movement of individuals or groups from one occupation or position to another that are at the time are similar social status. Vertical mobility refers to the movement of individuals or groups from one social status to another that is either higher or lower social mobility. For example, if a blue-collar worker becomes a doctor, there we can see an upward vertical social mobility in that case. Conversely, if a wealthy individual loses their fortune and becomes homeless, there is downward vertical social mobility in that particular case. In conclusion, we can say that social mobility is a complex phenomenon and that can occur in various forms within a given society in which we are living. Social mobility plays a critical role in shaping society as it allows individuals to achieve their dreams regardless of their backgrounds, leading to greater social and economic quality of life. Thank you very much for watching.